Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hang things in a cubicle with paper clips. This will be an easy life hack tutorial, so let's get right into this video. As you can see right here, I have a paper clip, and I know that it might be difficult to hang things in a cubicle because you have this fabric that looks like you can hang things from it, but behind the fabric is going to be metal, so you can't really do much with that area to hang things. It's really difficult to hang things up properly. So I'm going to show you an easy way to actually hang things in your cubicle, whether it be a picture or anything else, really easily. Let's get right into this video. All that you need is a paper clip. One paper clip for everything that you want to hang. Now, essentially what you want to do, and I'll try and get the camera to focus on this, what you want to do is take the paper clip. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus right here. There we go. Take the paper clip, and there's going to be a looped part like this, right? That has nothing, like this is the double side with two loops. This is the single side. You want to just bring apart the double side. Okay, so you've singled out the single side. So I've brought it apart like this. Okay, you can see right here, I've separated the double side. Now what you're going to do is you're going to turn that double side on either of those two. You're going to turn them outward facing the back. So right here, as you can see, I've turned it outward facing the back on one of them. Give me a moment here and I'll show you what it looks like, just like that. Sorry about that. I actually broke this paper clip. We're going to try it again. I have a few here, okay? So you got to do it carefully because you don't want to break the paper clip. Also, bigger paper clips seem to work better, but I only have small ones, so just bear with me. Once again, we're going to separate the double side like this. Okay, you're going to bring them both back. So both of the double sides, you're going to loop them back like this. Okay, sorry, but you know what? These are really not great paper clips. I do apologize. We're going to try one last time. I think this is the last paper clip that I have, so we're going to make it work. Okay, you separate the double side like that. Okay, once you've separated the double side, you're going to bring these individual little pieces both facing one direction. Okay, so I'm going to bring this one back like that. You're going to kind of rotate the whole area of the paper clip, so that's facing the back. And the same thing with this one right here. You're going to rotate the entire thing. The issue for me is that I was actually rotating just the individual little piece, when in reality I should have rotated the entire thing. Okay, just like that. Once you've rotated them both facing the back, so you can see I have the individual side over here is just the individual loop is like that, and then the double loop are both pulled backwards, both facing the back. Now what you can do is you can actually take those individual little pieces that are sort of sticking out like that, and you can actually hook them onto the fabric. So let me show you what it looks like once again. You have the individual loop right here, okay? From a side perspective, the double loops are both facing the back like little picture hanging hooks, okay? So the individual loop is like this, okay, just like that. And the double loops are both facing the back. As you can see, they're both from the individual loop. They both come up and then they face the back like that. What you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to hook it onto the fabric. And when you hook it onto the fabric, you're going to basically end up like this, where you have, it's going to be hooked onto the fabric like that. And you have a little hanging mechanism here. So you can put a string on it and hang a picture. You can put anything. You can put tape on this because it'll stick because it's metal. If you wrap the tape around it, especially, you can put anything on this to hang something from your cubicle. And just to clarify once again, the single loop is just looped down like that. And then the double loops, as you can see right there, are facing the back with the hooks going down like that. And you're just going to take it and you're going to go ahead and you're going to hook it on to the fabric like that on your cubicle. And it's going to be able to hang like this, which will allow you to essentially hang whatever you want on that. And you could do this with every paper clip. Like I said, go slowly, curve the entire paper clip. Don't just curve the little piece like this. You want to curve the whole thing. That's what does a good job at preventing it from actually breaking and snapping off. And that's it. That's how it's done. If you like this video, it's an easy life hack. I promise if you practice and you take your time, it can be done much more easily and you won't break it. I just kept breaking it because I was trying to rush it for this video. That's it. If you like, and any size paper clip, you can use smaller ones, bigger ones, any color paper clip. Creativity is through the roof. Whatever you want to do, you can get it done. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a. This is the end of the video, I promise. I know I've dragged this on for so long, and I'm going to end it now. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.